Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Lufeiya 47-inch computer desk, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home office or bedroom. This modern, simple desk features a vintage design with 4 fabric drawers that have wooden fronts, offering 2 installation methods for your convenience. Crafted from thick P2 particle wood board, it boasts a scratch-resistant, anti-collision, and waterproof surface, ensuring durability against daily wear and tear. The rustic brown desktop beautifully complements the black metal steel frame, making it a charming addition to any room decor while saving space. With extra fixed steel brackets and adjustable leg pads, this desk provides exceptional stability and features non-slip, anti-scratch protectors to safeguard your floors. Assembly is a breeze with the included detailed instruction manual and tools, taking only about 20 minutes to set up. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our professional customer service, offering easy and fast replacements if you encounter any quality issues. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.